Hello, good morning, fam. Well, it's good afternoon. It is 1 o'clock currently. I've just woken up because last night I couldn't sleep. I slept very late, like 5:30 ish. I was in two minds whether I should upload the video now or I should make a whole big video you know, but I just went for it. Trying to daily vlog now. Today is Saturday, and the plan for today is I have to clean up my house as much as I can. बहुत पसारा हो गया घर पे. Starts from cleaning the floors to the to my old clothes, to my clothes that I need to take for the travel to Dubai. And yeah, so this is how the condition of the house is looking right now. Bags everywhere, clothes everywhere, unmade bed, bags everywhere. Yeah, more stuff here. This is my little studio setup. I'm not like a professional or anything, but it's just like I like to have a studio kind of a setup here. So there's a lot of things here. I need to take care of them, and yeah, a lot of things here also just lying around. I've taken out this bag for donation of clothes that I don't need anymore. So going to donate old clothes. Some clothes lying around, drying around here. Yeah, I need to take care of the uh, groceries also, because there's a lot of stuff that I'm not going to need now. So I have to eat it up. Some more stuff here. Some unfinished business in the sink that I need to take care of. So let's do that. There is this quote from The Office by Dwight Schrute, that why pay someone for a job that you can do yourself? That was a very good cleaning session that I'm just now done with. Uh, yeah, the thing is, why pay somebody to do a job that you can do yourself? Now you may not have the time, that is true. You may not have the time to do these things because you might be a working person. But if you find time throughout the day, like all you need is 10-15 minutes, just not much, jhadu pocha jo bhi hai, a very small thing, a very small job of cleaning that you can probably do by yourself. So yeah, the thing is also, the another thing is that back home in Dubai, uh, I don't know a lot about other people, but it's a big hassle to keep a maid back home. So my parents do these chores by themselves. So I felt that even though they had given me the option of having a maid come and having a maid to come clean the house once a week, I choose not to do it, because then like it's not right. It's not right in as a son that I live, that they are doing these things by themselves, and I have a maid too. So because I have the ability to do these things, there's nothing that stops me from keeping the house clean and doing these jobs myself. So I feel that why should I keep a maid to do these small things? So also it's a very therapeutic thing. Cleaning is a very therapeutic thing. uh, yeah, now I am hungry. Anything since the last 12 hours. So this is another thing that I do. If I have a meal at, say, if I have my last meal at 8 or 7:30 p.m., the next thing that I eat is going to be my breakfast, which is usually at 9:30, 10 in the morning. So I keep my stomach empty for a good 11 to 12 hours. It's a good thing to do because your stomach needs that cleansing also. I had the habit of binge eating before. Like I used to order food from outside. uh, uh, at very random times, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the night. So in the last 2 years, I have that control. I have that control over me now. I don't binge eat like a freak, and kind of avoid junk food at all. Like if I have to eat junk, I might just eat Subway sandwich or something. So yeah, right now I'm going to order dal khichdi from the Khichdi Experiment. It's become my favorite place to order from. And रात को we'll cook something interesting. So yeah. So खाना आ चुका है मेरा. Khichdi Experiment. I've ordered palak paneer khichdi. Earlier, wait. So they give you papad and cutlery with it. Earlier I used to hate khichdi because I used to think it's a sick person's food. I used to eat it only if I was feeling sick or something. But now it's like a comfort food for me, and it's quite healthy also in that way. So finally I've cleaned the hall now. Since the house is going to be shut for a while, पानी डाल के पूरा साफ कर दिया. It's a good workout. I'm sweating already. So it's 5 in the afternoon now. I am going to make myself a golden latte. A turmeric golden latte. It's become one of my favorite things to drink after tea and coffee, and of course hot chocolate. It's quite healthy also. So now I've made it a regular thing. I usually have it in the night before going to sleep, but right now I just feel like having it, so I am going to do that. We made a nice cup of दूध हल्दी or golden latte, but it's good. It's very soothing. It's quite good for the throat. So what I've done here is I have almost made like a falafel. It's got chana, boiled chana, salt, pepper, red chili powder, some coriander, and garlic and onion, which is like finely chopped and mixed with the mixture. And I'm going to I just stir fried it like little bit, and now I'm going to prepare the bread. I'm going to toast it with butter, and I have some pizza sauce with me, so I'm going to add pizza sauce and then sandwich the two. And that is my dinner sorted. Well, that's it for the vlog, guys. Thank you for being a part of my day in the life. Hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next episode. On Monday, I'm going to my grandparents' place, and I have my COVID test, so fingers crossed for that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Peace out.